Meaning of far-reaching.
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 Far-reaching. The term far-reaching refers to a significant, profound, and extensive impact or consequence of something. When something is far-reaching, its effects extend over a long period and a wide range, shaping events or circumstances beyond the original intention or scope. The results of far-reaching actions, decisions or events can be both positive and negative, influencing various aspects of society, economy, environment, politics, or culture. Far-reaching consequences can have a lasting impact on people's lives, institutions, values and beliefs, often changing the course of history.